This is a crypto update emergency video as we are seeing cryptocurrencies pumping from the beginning of this morning, and they have not stopped, and it's looking like they're going to continue to go up a lot higher. In this video, we're going to be talking about why do cryptos go up. We're going to be talking about everything, and the crypto bull run has it started. We have so much breaking news and information that you need to hear, so make sure you watch this video until the end. Give this video a thumbs up if you want cryptocurrencies to pump up more, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below. But please make sure you subscribe with notifications on to do yourself a favor so you do not miss these time sensitive videos that will make you money for free in crypto. I tell you key information that can make you money in crypto, so go ahead and subscribe. So getting straight into the video, what we can see is this CPI data has come out, and if you watched my video yesterday, if you watched my videos for the last week, I told you exactly what was most likely going to happen, and it of course took place because I'm gathering the information, what we are seeing and understanding about the economy, the Fed, interest rates, inflation, X, Y, and Z, and we were able to formulate a conclusion to predict and project that inflation is starting to top out and to go lower. That is very, very key. But here it is. So inflation is going down. We have the stocks market. The stock market is soaring. The S&P hits the highest level in 3 months after a key report shows that inflation is slowing down. We are just seeing reports left and right. But most importantly, what we are seeing is we saw inflation for the first time after, I believe, 17 sessions come under expectations. We have yet to come under expectations for literally 17 CPI sessions. So we finally have actually done that. And inflation is not only going lower, but it's under expectations, which is very, very good. So inflation is slowing faster than what people are expecting. And you're going to be asking me, Miles, why is this good? How does this have anything to do with cryptos? X, Y, and Z, blah, blah, blah. So the reason why inflation slowing down is really good is because, as you see the stock market, I'm just going to show you the S&P 500. This thing is rallying and pumping like we've never seen before. But the reason why stocks are going up, the US dollar is crashing, we are seeing cryptos pumping, is because inflation is coming down. And when inflation slows and starts to come down, the Fed, they're going to raise interest rates less aggressively. They're not going to have to raise them as much, and they're eventually going to stop raising interest rates, which means that Americans, you and me, people around the world will have more money to invest because they'll have more money in their pocket because they're not putting it towards interest rates on their mortgages. So it has a huge effect. Interest rates have huge effects on the economy, the stock market, cryptos, everything. And guess what? The bullish news is starting to come out. And guess what also? The investors, the people that move these markets, they're going to start pricing in inflation slowing down. And guess what that's going to do? It's going to start pumping things. Just like in November, we started to see inflation come up because the US was printing so much money. When they were beginning to see that, guess what they were doing? They were pricing in inflation going up. So guess what they did? They sold off tech stocks, they sold crypto, and that's why cryptos crashed last November and has been going down for literally almost a year until just a couple of months ago, almost a month and a half ago, cryptos have bottomed out and started the bull market because inflation is starting to come down. So now they're going to start pricing that in. So we were crashing because they're pricing in inflation going up, X, Y, and Z. But guess what? Now they're going to start pricing in inflation's going down, and guess what that's going to do? It's not going to crash the markets. It's going to have the opposite effect, which means that cryptos are going to pump up like crazy, like you've never seen before. And you are going to think that I'm crazy, but if you continue to watch my videos the last couple of months, I've been telling you that we've reached a bottom and that we're going to continue to go up from here. And I've been saying that since we've been at the bottom, and I've been accurate with that. And I'm also going to be accurate that cryptocurrencies are going to continue to go up from this point, at least for the next several months. We may have some volatility. There's going to be some crashes, of course. There's going to be FUD that will come here and there, but cryptos, I believe, in my opinion, it could be totally wrong, they have bottomed out, and I do believe they're going to continue to go up for many factors. But most importantly, let's dive into the charts. Let's see what's happening. So first and foremost, Ethereum is the coin to watch right now. That is leading the altcoins, leading Dogecoin. It's leading Shiba Inu. It is leading the entire crypto market. Bitcoin is very, very slow. Bitcoin is very slow. It is the slowest crypto, but that is okay. And Bitcoin is still very bullish. The whole market still revolves and moves off of Bitcoin and Ethereum moves off of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is facing a critical major resistance level, and that critical resistance level is about 24,600. If we break this resistance level for Bitcoin, let's just say if we break 25,000 for Bitcoin, you better get ready, because the market is going to see levels and pumps like you've never seen before. And give this video a thumbs up and continue to watch if you believe that there's going to be huge pumps this year and very soon in the crypto market. So taking a look at Ethereum, what we can see is we're not seeing that with Ethereum. We're seeing Ethereum is much more bullish, and the altcoins are much more bullish than Bitcoin, especially Ethereum with the merge coming up. That's why Ethereum is outperforming every cryptocurrency right now consistently, because of the Ethereum merge taking place next month. But if we take a look at the charts, Ethereum is in an insane uptrend, higher highs and higher lows all the way without stopping. We are in a longer uptrend, and this is very important. And an uptrend is a trend that is going to last some length for many, many months, most likely, and continue to move up, especially as the crypto market is still at a major discount. We are still super low compared to where we were just back in January, February, and so forth. So cryptos are still significantly down from their all-time highs, but guess what? They're recovering, and they're going to be recovering very fast. So Ethereum right now is facing the 1915 and 1920, that region right there. So about $1,900. If Ethereum can break $1,900, which is very likely, Ethereum is going to most likely see another move to create another range up to about $2,200. That's going to be the next move. And if Ethereum breaks this, we're likely to see another move to take us to 2,500. And guess what? After 2,500, we're looking at 2,700. And guess what? We're looking at 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and beyond. But guess what? Cryptos are not going to go up straight away. They're not just going to go straight up. There's going to be crashes. There's going to be volatility. There's going to be FUD. That will come from here and there. So do understand that. But overall, what we can see is a very strong bullish trend that has been lasting since the month of June, the mid-June, about 20th of June. Cryptos have been going up, and from our current time, we are seeing about 2 months of bullishness. So cryptos have been bullish for 2 months. Yes, they've crashed right before that, obviously, but since then they've been recovering and bouncing up, and that is most likely to continue to happen here in the crypto market, and that is very, very exciting. Now, with this CPI information, inflation coming lower, it's very important and critical that next month and 1 month from now, CPI continues potentially to come under expectations, or CPI continues to lower. The inflation reading continues to lower. If it continues to lower, the Fed is going to be super less aggressive. They're going to be dovish. They're not going to be raising interest rates. They're going to stop raising interest rates, and that is going to pump the crypto and stock market up even further. So we're going to be waiting for that for next month. And if this keeps happening consistently, we're going to see a V-shaped recovery. We're going to see a strong recovery in all of the markets. We're going to see prices come down a lot on a lot of things like gas, and that's going to be very important overall, not just for cryptos. So that's going to be very important for us and for every average American consumer and people around the world. So this is very exciting news. I just wanted to share it with you, my thoughts on the current crypto market and where we are headed. Now, if you guys want to be making money in the crypto market, I highly recommend you join the Patreon tier 3. The link is in my video description. It is a cheap amount of money compared to the value of what you get, but I offer profitable buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies, and you can copy all of my exact trades there in tier 3. And we have a whale trading group where we have a bunch of experienced traders, so you can always ask for help over there of when to buy and when to sell in the crypto market. We've had several trades just the last couple of days in significant profits trading Ethereum. We've been making profits every single week in Ethereum, making significant profits in other cryptocurrencies as well, since cryptos have bottomed out and the market was crashing. We were making profitable trades. We were also getting stopped out and pulling out before big crashes and buying bottoms and trading those bottoms. So if you guys want to get access to that, I highly recommend you join tier 3 in the Patreon. It will pay for itself very, very, very quickly, potentially provide for you an additional source of income. Now, the best trading platform I recommend to you, you can get free money by using it. All you have to do is go to the link in my video description. You can claim up to a $5,000 deposit bonus by using my link and depositing crypto over there for free. Highly recommend it, where you can set stop losses, automatic take profits, and the fees are extremely cheap and it's safe and secure. And moreover, if you want to learn technical analysis so you can learn how to make your own calls like I do for a living, go ahead and apply it with my new course and mentoring program with the link in my video description. And if you are waiting for a response for that application. I am in Europe and will be returning next week, and will be getting to those applications for my new course and mentoring program. So have patience with me. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I will see you all tomorrow.